Hello viewers, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can participate Binance Square Plasma campaign. As you know that Binance Square is one of the best platform that pays creators for just creating content. Each day, each month, they introduce many projects. In these projects, you may participate to earn rewards. So right now, they have introduced another campaign which is known as the XPL Plasma Reward, and in this campaign they have introduced 5x more reward. It means overall around 500k reward. This is gonna be the huge, only top 1000 creators can get it. So in this video I am going to teach you how can you participate in this event step by step. So before I move on, I would like to tell you, if you are not following me on a Binance Square, then just go smash that follow button and also share this video to your friends, and also don't forget to like this video. And if you're watching this video on X, just follow me also there. So how can you participate? Okay, first of all, I hope everyone have their Binance account. So if you haven't created, then just go below, click on the below link my referral, go and just sign up and do your simply complete your KYC, and then you may see this kind of interface. Okay, after signing up you may see this kind of interface. So right now what you have to do, nothing to you guys don't have to worry about anything. I will teach you step by step. So when you swipe down here, you can see this a plus icon. Maybe you guys won't be seen, then you may click on this more button here. So you will see an option like Binance Square or something called Square. Okay, so you just go and click on this plus icon. So here you can see this many things. So right now what you have to click on this creator pad tool. Okay, you have to create a pad tool. Then you can see this there right now ongoing 3 to 4 campaign. This fourth one is only for Chinese users, and about 3 are for everyone. Every global user can participate. So right now I am going to teach you about Plasma, which one is a new that I think yesterday team introduced, and this whole month will be open for everyone. Okay, so you just click on this Plasma. So here you can see this many things. Okay, so first of all they introduce about the project, what you have to do. Okay, so first of all here you can see this a simply join button. So you have to click on that join button. Okay, so just click on the join button, then you may go below. So right now what you have to do in this campaign, so how you can be eligible for this. So here are something that I wanted to tell you. Here you can see this. First of all you have to follow. Here click on the follow button. Right now it's showing completed because I already completed. So you may follow Plasma crypto project on a Binance Square and you may get 5 points. Okay, then you have to also click on a follow button here to follow Plasma project on X. You get additional 5 points. Okay, so now we have main 2 things that we have to do every day. Okay, so here what you have to do, you have to just create a post maximum 500 characters, it means 500 words, and minimum 100 character or 100 words. So each day you have to create a single post about on Binance Square about Plasma XPL project. So must you have one thing to know, that the post must be unique. Okay, so post must be your own creativity. Also you can add your images, you can create some AI images also, you can use it. Okay, so try to be unique. So what you have to do, you have to create a post and mention the Plasma team at the red Plasma. Also you have to add XPL tag, and you have to also add Plasma hashtag. You guys have to do these things daily. Okay, and also you have to create a more than 500 words and characters article. You have to publish each day a single article. Okay, so in article you have to also write down the at the red tag Plasma, and also you have to add ticker XPL, and also you have to add Plasma hashtag. So you guys have to repeatedly do all these things daily until the campaign might go, and campaigns go before I think for 30 days. And also you can get additional points by trading XPL. Yes, you can do a future trades or spot trades or convert trade, and in this you guys will get complete more points of it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you want to make me more videos such kind, tell me in the comment section. And if you're not following me, then what are you doing now? Just go and smash that follow button. I will see you in another video. Peace. Thank you.